Hello everyone in this fine hour. Now, today we are going to continue my previous thread regards cryptocurrencies, and now let's explore Ethereum in more detail because of course Ethereum is one of most widely known crypto assets, and if I'm starting this thread I just simply cannot ignore it. And also there is very good reasons for that because in my experience, crypto was able to make one of the highest yearly returns I have ever witnessed, and I will just show you the example. Here is Ethereum, and this is like what, late 2015, as you can see in this chart. If there is my face, but you could see that you could hear it, I will just tell you that for 2015 2016 it was fluctuating around $1, like there was nothing interesting there, early 2016 Ethereum costs like $3, and then it actually went slightly higher and fluctuates around $1 to $10 from even more to 20. The chart is so small and so skewed I couldn't just see it. So we are staying around nearly $2 in 2016, at the beginning of 2016, and then fluctuates right up until 20 and somehow settles around $7 to $8 at end of 2016. So it made several fold gain, and that might be better than S&P index, but nothing interesting. But here is the thing. We are now where? We are around $7 to $8 at early 2017. And what happened in 2017? Of course, first great crypto boom happened, and Ethereum went from these negligible $5 to $7 right up until 1400s. That is a peak, of course, but still, this is like what, more than, depending how do you scale it, but it's at least 100 plus fold return. So $1 invested in Ethereum in the beginning of 2017 is easily more than 100 and 150 times worth. So if someone had like $10,000 at beginning at 2017, he will be millionaire at the end of this year. That is more than staggering. But here's the thing, that was spike, and after that markets corrected from 1400s in early 2018 till 400 couple months after. So I would be very skeptical of anyone's ability to short this spike, but still, even when the markets consolidated around 500, it was still around 50-fold to 70-fold returns. So a couple of thousand invested were several hundred thousands more. That is pretty staggering. Except one fact: how many people actually knew Ethereum in 2017? Even there were people who were able to capitalize on that. There were so few, and probably most of them were developers of Ethereum or early adopters, which were like maybe 20 people. So here we are seeing very good example of hindsight bias, that there is one asset which performed extremely well, and we know it only after the fact, because I could bet there were thousands and thousands of coins which were unheard of and we don't know them. This is one good success story as it is. And when people knew about Ethereum, that was probably at, I would say, at end of or mid of 2017, because here at mid of 2017 or second half of 2017 crypto became really hot, and you probably were invested around 3 to 400s, and that 100-fold gain was nearly completed. And if you were invested there, you had to wait for at least several years for markets to get to break even. And then of course it went to another crazy bull market with 2021. After this long consolidation, it went from 200 to almost 5,000. Now you could still tenfold your money if you were holding patiently from 2018, but that's a tenfold increase. That's respectable by any means, but I don't know people who were so crazy that they would invested all of their fortunes in one crypto asset. Most likely you were having good returns if you had some of that money into your portfolio, but still, again, that was one peak. It was not held for a long time. 4 years it was more like, not 4 years, 4 months, this price was holding for like at around 2,500 maybe, and this is like what, fivefold increase. That's not bad, but it wouldn't make you a millionaire and it wouldn't give you a Bentley. And that's harsh reality of these crypto assets, that they might spike and make impressive returns on paper, but to capitalize them you have to do something else, and that is trend following. You have to make system which makes money on trends, and then opportunities are yours. Let me just show you a couple of examples, because even if you were wrong and if you didn't know how to time market, because no one actually does that, here is examples how you could capitalize on that much more efficiently. Even if you were late of 2017, if you only started to invest somewhere like 2020, here's examples. There is one trend, two trends, three trends, four trends, five trends, six trends, seven trends, of course bit of choppy market here, 8 trends, 9 trends, 10 trends, and even then smaller trends, 11, 12, 13, 14 trends, 14 up and down trends almost in a row for crypto markets. That's pretty good. So my advice here is, don't be a fool, don't try to buy and hold crypto assets thinking that this is some sort of substitute for your pension, because the risk adjusted returns are not there. You see that those markets spike, they are heavily volatile, and you could collapse and destroy your nervous system while following them. But if you are trying to make money on trends, either are up or down moves, opportunities are there. The amount of trends and magnitude of these trends are very good. This is exceptionally good market if you are short to I would say medium trend follower. It will give you endless opportunities, and unless there will be unless there will be volatility, which there will be money making opportunities for there. And with that said, please try to understand this. This is how it looks like. This is speculative market, and you have to only look at it purely from that perspective. If that will be the case, you will be much better off in crypto markets at least. So stay tuned and wait for my next videos. Bye.